guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, hey baby girls, hey boos. Anyway guys, today I'm coming up to you with this kind of bright, bold, summerish makeup look tutorial. Guys, I'm super obsessed. When I mean obsessed, is an understatement. I am dying for this. Reason being, super duper effortless. Okay, I only use 3 eyeshadow to create this look, and which I was like super excited because I didn't overwork myself. I didn't overthinking what to do, what not to do. You know, sometimes the look you have on your mind, it can be a little bit tricky when you are in the game, but trust me, this one was not tricky at all. I was just on one go. I was good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I decided to go for a nude lip. You know, when you have a bold eye, you don't need to go for bold lips. Depends on the mood and depends on the look you want to recreate. I don't say you can wear bold look and bold lip. Don't judge me wrong, okay? Mama don't teach you that. Mama teach you can wear bold lip with a nude eye and bold eye with a nude lip. It kind of matches together. But when you want to elevate your look, when you want to be extra, sometimes like I always do, you can always go for bold look and bold lip. It doesn't matter, okay? Do what makes you happy, like Mama always say, okay? So enough of the talking. You guys should let me know what you think about this look. If it was helpful, you are going to recreate it. Feel free to recreate my looks if you like it, okay? And let me know on the comment section below your thought. Do you like the lip combo? Do you like the eyeshadow? Do you like the lashes? Let me know. Your comments means a lot to me. All right, without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this eye look and lip, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy, as I always say and always say. Don't forget to do what makes you happy, baby girls. You only got one life. Enjoy, make the best out of it, okay? And stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love is ciao. Mwah. Guys, hey boss, how you guys doing? What do you do? You know how we do it. So let's jump into this tutorial. So to prime my eye, I'm going to be taking the Nyx Jumbo Paint. So this one is a milk light. So I'm going to be taking this my brush. I don't have to measure it anymore. It has no name. It's from Amazon, okay? I'm just going to gently blend out the edges, and at the same time I'm going to dab it into my eyelid so we don't have any patchiness when we are blending. So guys, to achieve this eye look, I'm going to go in with this Glaze Palette, and I'm going to be taking this beautiful. First, I'm going to take this beautiful orange right here, this one. If you want, you can set, but I'm not setting my lid. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my transition color. I'm just going to dab. Reason being, because I didn't set it, so when I just go immediately start to blend, it's going to look patchy and I'm going to have struggle while blending. So I'm just going to do a little bit of tap. You know how we do it right here. So I'm just going to do tap round into my inner corner basically. So right now I'm just going to start blending very softly, okay? Very softly. Right here, this one right here, this is also a very beautiful yellow shade. So guys, I'm still going to use the same brush, just gently blend out the edges towards my brow bone so we don't have any harsh line without anything on the brush. I'm going to be taking this beautiful orange shade right here. I'm going to be using these two. Firstly, I'm going to apply the darker one, and so with the lighter one, it's going to elevate the look. It's going to make the look more brighter. Wow. I hope it's not coming in camera as a red, because this is a very beautiful rich orange shade. I'm just tapping it onto my lid. Just tap. Taking my brush, I'm dipping it into that darker yellow, this one right here. I'm just going to blend the edges out, guys. Wow, I love this look, guys. I just love it. I love it already. I love it, especially because it's a matte shade we are working with, so that makes it all look juicy, you know. Beautiful orange right here, the brighter one. I'm just going to apply that on top. This one right here, I'm going to use the other side of the brush, and this is also very pigment. Wow. I think I'm going to leave that on my inner corner. I'm not going to bring it towards my lid area. That is going to highlight the look. Wow, yes. Honey, baby girl. Then I go ahead, once again, dip my brush into the darker shade, apply that on my outer corner. Wow, that's a look. That's a look. What are we talking about? What are we not talking? What are we commenting? What are we typing? What are we replying? Baby girl, let me see you hit the subscribe button right away, and make sure you hit your notification bell. You don't want to miss any juicy look like this, and you, okay? Go ahead and do that right now, please. The Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner. Shade right here, the one I apply on my other corner. I'm going to apply this on my bottom eye. So for mascara, I'm going to be taking this L.o.v Lashes Offer mascara. For lashes, I'm going to be taking the Catrice lashes. Yes. Here, this one right here, that is going to be perfect for my inner corner. Line my lips, I'm going to be taking this Alverde lip liner in brown. For my lip, I'm going to be taking this NYX liquid lipstick, which is liquid soda. This one right here. So to give it a little bit of shine, I'm going to be taking this Fentybeauty Diamond Milk. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'll be right back. Just stay tuned.